Dr. Jerry Peterman from Challenge Life Better, from Herbs of Earth, our naturopathic doctor. We talked a little bit about Chuck's story. Did you want to tell a little bit more about how it helped his muscles rejuvenate quicker?
I kind of left you hanging on that one. Let me tell you where it is now, 10 years later. This guy has been competing, and he started out at 47 years of age, and he is now 57, and every single race he's had, he's either held his own or gotten better, which means now for his age group, he is now rated number 3 in the state of Texas as a triathlon athlete.
Wow. Wow.
And he was ready to chunk it when I met him in the beginning. He said, I'm just not getting any better. And I said, you're 47, you're prime health, my gosh. And I was already 60 at the time, and I was thinking, wow, this guy's in great shape. You know, why would you give up now? I'd do anything to have the physique that this guy had. He was incredible, in incredible shape. But he had tried absolutely every kind of product out there, and everybody kept telling him, oh, this is the magic bullet.
Right.
And frankly, he was probably the most skeptical person I've ever met about trying this approach to restoration of mitochondria and the use of resveratrol in his diet. But after the 4th month, he didn't know what to say. And he was leaving 20 and 30 somethings in his dust.
That's cool.
So, he's become a competitive cyclist and of course swimming, and I'm just astounded. Now I've got another fellow I'm working with, bringing him up, and he's just 30. So I can't imagine.
That's cool.
Dealt with Chuck at 47. I'm seeing what happens when you take a 30-year-old who works really, really hard at this. What is going to be the result there?
Right.
And frankly, Chuck doesn't look more than about 38 years old. And people say there's no way that this guy could be almost 60 years old. There's just not any way.
Mm-hmm.
He takes 5 resveratrol a day and several time challenger capsules with mitochondrial restoration. He takes some minerals and various other materials.
Mm-hmm.
And the goal is to improve his overall physical well-being.
Okay, that's cool. So these natural remedies are awesome. We're hoping to bring people herbs that can help with their health. And all right, well, thank you. And what is it you say every time on the way out?
Be well.
There you go. Thanks.